welcome or welcome back to my channel. I don't even got no title right now, but the celebrations have started. I am 18. Ready? Look, my auntie just got me, bro. Like, what is
tulip for my tulip?
Like,
happy birthday! Oh my god, I'm old now.
I'm about to be on the way to my hair appointments. Now, my auntie always listening to this Bonnie James behind music.
Yeah, this is my favorite.
And then while I come outside, is she already in the passenger seat?
Thank you.
Excuse me?
Yes. Treat me like a queen.
Like, she gonna teach me how to drive so she could do this. With that food.
Yeah. This is McDonald's. Very cute.
I'm dead. But yeah, I got me a frappe because McDonald's food don't sit right well. I mean, how you say it? Sit
well. I don't know that.
Something don't sit right with me. So I'm just gonna sip on this frappe because
we have reservations and all.
Jazz be blowed. She'll be blowed because I'm gonna blow her bathroom up.
Oh my god.
But yeah, I'm been drive, so see you later. You gotta do like a grown woman.
Call is real.
Real grown, yeah.
I just imagined it.
I don't think she's lost her magic eye. He's not just any soldier, Roman. He's from special forces. When it comes to Marcelados, the only way they can be killed is from the eye. I'm taking you guys to get towards another bar.
I love curls like this.
Yeah.
Look at my man, y'all. He got me on his shirt and stuff. Look at him. For the birthday. I'm finna go back to my grandma's house, see if my daddy there. So I can get my money on. So I get my money on for the 18th so I can go shopping. Fuck what you talking about. Yeah, my hair look good, but I definitely wanted it more brown, but it's okay. I thought I was doing something. You knew that though. You knew that I wanted it more brown. I just didn't do it right.
Color of your homecoming lace.
This is a little bit darker. My homecoming lace was more like Chucky. But what I was about to say?
You said Chucky? Like
Yeah.
the doll? No, that's Chucky.
You think this is darker? I know my homecoming one is darker. My homecoming one was more like spicy orange.
No,
like,
that one is dark.
that's what I just said.
Oh.
Yeah, I have an idiot ass boyfriend.
Yeah, I need to.
I look so good. What the It's my birthday, ho. Yeah, I'm actually like irritated because why nobody not telling me happy birthday? The fuck? What's wrong with people? I don't know. But I hit y'all because I don't have that much percent on this camera. Y'all, my dad done gave me them blues. Stop playing with them.
You gonna hold a 20.
Yo, no, that was a blue jet. Stop playing. Stop playing with my daddy, boy. No, I'm just kidding. I honestly didn't even like my daddy 2 days ago. But it's okay because he just gave me some blues. So I'm finna go to the mall. Y'all, I'm finna go dumb at Ulta. You know what's crazy? I usually I do not be having like no free for all money. Like this is the time where I actually don't care. Like I'm literally about to spend it because if I don't, I'm gonna be pissed. So usually people give me money for my birthday and I say, oh, I'm gonna go shopping, we'll do this. And I never do nothing. I just spend the money somewhere else or I just save the money. This time, bitch, I am about to spend this shit. He about to hold all my bags. My face on his shirt.
I'm finna take this.
But yeah, I need to charge my camera, so I'm gonna put you guys down.
That's somebody cut. This girl fucking doing too much, walking around, all and shit.
I just spent $70 on 2 things, but at least I got a free birthday gift. So I got a Makeup by Mario pencil and a Dior lip gloss because I'm spoiling myself, y'all. I want that Dior lip gloss bad. I didn't know what shade I wanted, but this the lip liner on my lips. It's cute, right? I don't even think I can record in this mall, the whole mall, honestly. So I'm gonna hit y'all.
They got the pants first.
So I Alright, you guys, we are in a food court. I don't even know if you can hear me. We in a food court. I didn't want to eat a lot because I got my dinner later. But I took some of his noodles and I got a side of chicken. And this big greedy monster, he got this. Yeah, he look cute. And I got some water. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Sephora.
What do you say this called? Fried chicken?
I don't know.
Honey fried chicken?
It's good, I don't know. Y'all, this lip liner looks so cute. So I got a Makeup by Mario lip liner. It was $26. Then I got a free birthday gift. This is a lip liner and a lip serum. And it's supposed to be plumping, so. And I got a Dior lip gloss, y'all. I've been wanting to get Dior lip gloss since my freshman year. I had the lip oil, but I never had the gloss. This was $40. I'm insane. But that ain't it, because I ain't gonna lie, we're going to Ulta so I can actually do what I want to do, because everything in Sephora start at $10. I mean, not even $15. Everything in Sephora start at $20, $15. It's just, they got too much going on in there, and they know they got all the good products, and they want to sell it for that much, because they trying to get somebody. But we'll be in Ulta. I'm gonna get my toes done too, because I did not feel like doing my toes. Y'all, I did my nails, but this is not what I was supposed to have. But it's okay, because I'm 18. I'm grown, I can do what I want. No, it's good. I'm getting a pedicure, you guys. No, it's nice. Oh, look at my dogs. Oh my god. He don't want to get one. You lame. Just took it off the line on my list. What's up, y'all? I just came from Ulta. Y'all, Ulta humbled me, okay? Because I was just in there picking stuff up. It came up $200, and I could not see myself just spending $200 flat on this stuff. But I spent $109, so that's still good. But you can't even see me. But I'm about to go get my stuff from my grandma's house, because I got to check in for my little hotel, because I'm going to get ready for my dinner. But my boyfriend had a great idea to go check in the hotel and get ready there instead. Because first of all, my room dirty, so I low-key just need to be in a different environment anyway. But yes, guys, I have to recurl my hair. I'm gonna put me a little blush on, a little lip liner. Y'all, I got Dior, I got Fenty. First of all, Ulta was having a sale on my birthday, and it was only for today. They had $11 to $13 for Fenty lip plumper. Fenty Heat, like, oh my gosh. First of all, that lip gloss is $30. That plumper is $30, and I got 2 of them for $13. Stop playing with me. Also, y'all knew it was my birthday, y'all came through. But yeah, I'm about to go get ready, guys. My boyfriend don't want me to wear no makeup, but I look, he just want to like bust my face real quick. No?
You don't need it. Your lashes popping too much. You finna like.
I just want to do a little concealer so I can have some blush.
Nah, you look good.
My blush not gonna show up with no concealer. Well, it's not gonna look right if I do. So I need to put a little bit of concealer. It's gonna be cute. Boy, you know I'm a bad bitch all around. Stop playing with me. Y'all, I just left the hotel. I curled my hair, but I didn't comb them out yet because I'm gonna wait until we get to his house. Well, I might just wait until I get closer to the restaurant to comb out my curls. So y'all, look at my hotel. Boom. I got my rich bird. But I'm not gonna come out yet. I got on this little brown piece. I think it looks weird, but he said it looked good, so.
You recording outside?
Huh?
Okay.
Anyway, y'all, I was surprised, guys. What a coincidence. I'm mad. Why did he think to film it?
That's why I filmed it sideways.
Oh, period. Love that. Send me that so I can add it in there. But, y'all, I try to do my makeup. I think I used too much powder, but we live and we learn. Thank you. It's just so matte. But
You don't have a
Do we satisfied?
I didn't want to use it because my face be oily. Watch, in a few minutes, I'm gonna have to be patting with the powder puff.
About that setup.
Look at this setup, huh?
It was she's not gonna be worried about that powder.
Like, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. I am loved.
Best friend. She rich and stuff. I'm done. How you open this? I don't even know how to open it. Oh, I ain't rich. I don't know how to open it.
We too broke for this.
You ain't gonna lie.
Too broke. Not me in the name of Jesus.
No, recruit that against everybody. That's some.
Y'all see what it
It's
is.
a Pacaru.
Oh, wait. Oh, that smells really good. That smells really good. Yes. No, that one smells good. You know, I'm not familiar with boxes, but bring out a glass one for me. Oh, it smells good. Hey, y'all, I'm Kaden. Y'all know big Kaden shit. I'm about to take this hair off though.
Rich and expensive.
OMG, guys. I ain't lie. Best birthday yet, you know.
Really? I love to hear.
Cause usually I'll be sad, crying, scratching the
No, we ain't got no
breast,
time
nothing
for
to wear,
sad on
nothing.
18. It's big 18, y'all know what it is. She gotta have a smile on her face or it ain't right. Yeah. Ooh, you pretty.
I don't know how to curl her that good, but
But you did it. But you did it.
But yeah, I've been recording for 4 minutes, so I'm gonna have a hard time editing. Period. My feet hurt.
The queen.
Bitch, I look 6 foot. Well, I'm probably 6'3".
Definitely you. This one is like
Put some blue on it. Fuck it, girl, we get money. I'm mad, first of all, because my wig was way longer than this. And the bitch got such a happy. I would have said not that much, baby. My hair was like right here, bro. I would have said not that much. I feel like lashes make me look so serious, bro. You don't want none of that, boy. You don't want that business, boy. You don't want that fucking work, boy. I should have got y'all something for party favors.
we a team in my friendship.
No, dead ass. Get you one. I'm not even joking. Yeah, let's go. All right, how much is 35, right?
Over to my back is
60 what? I'm getting one.
Oh, okay, so
Wow. Okay. Changli. What's his name? Damn.
Fuck, who is the one that be kicking Bruce Lee? Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan.
I like you.
Ooh, my camera go overheat. We tweaking. Birthday to
Wait, hold on.
me. Oh,
You wait.
happy birthday to me.
Grab it.
Birthday, dear Tony. Happy birthday to me. Woo!
Calm down. I'm about to kill us all.
Wait.
Okay, bro.
Look, can I get a waffle?
Okay, you can say waffle.
No, remember they was fighting the Waffle
Can I get a
House. Can I get a
waffle?
waffle? Pudding. That's just out of there. Look at my cousin. Yo, what the fuck? My cousin Ducko. This how the 18 going.
Wait.
This how the 18 going.
We is a random boy. I love that for you.
a bad 50th birthday, but I'm going home, so I'm definitely not.
Oh, 'cause I thought I heard a random bitty birthday.
That boy's a liar. What? That boy's a liar. Wow. Liar. Keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Look,
hey, all the
look,
girls gonna
I got
slide
a
with-
red head.
All the girls gonna slide with Tommy's and then the rest gonna slide with me.
Cause we all can't go in at the same time. I got a redhead chick and she from the projects and I'll bust that pussy open and she tell me bring it back.
Oh my fucking god, shut up.
And I'm finna
get the
go
fuck in the
to
car.
the room and he
Fucking video.
What?
Stop the video.
What?
Oh my fucking god.
Maya, what?
Tell me to get in the car. We got.
Hey. What up? Do I feel right now? Record it right there, like he was the only one right there.
Bro, what the fuck? Then we gonna see it in the video if I was.
What kind of phone this is?
A phone you should put down.
Bitch, if you don't get those off of me. Bro, okay, for real, come on, bro. Y'all playing.
Ugly.